Tripura Federation bukhaktwi Astable thung nokhola simi himbotok songchajakha Tripura Federation Sangrong Shalo Taifa Shalo Robindro Shotobashiki Bhobono Plenary Session Songchana Thangi Tongmaloti Agortola Astable thung nokhola simi Kaishokotor himbotok Klai Robindro Bhobono Songchajakha Pandawo Bathaklaikha 2000 Shikla Shikli or Shani Romi Songchajakha Pandao Manjaknai Pandani Bishinti Dalbidal Shijamungni Kok Roknoti Kok Shajaknai Tei Praland Shanmungni Khorangni Shaklai Mungbo Rejaknai Shani Romi Songchajakha Pandao Nograi Okra Ungai Manjaknai Bubagra Produt Kishor De Bormon Tripura Monthani Achukfang Bijay Kumar Rangkho Tei Tongbainai Tripura Monthani Montri Ojama Tangfangshong
Belanda Hambai Ini Sumara YTF Sara Tripura ni Sinor Butum Laijak Kamingba Seng Saimano Sini Oro Planation Tini Bai Knangnan Thangai Tongo O Planation Seng Kaisina Sini Sara Tripura Seng Kaisa License Nani Busungo Hansa Tongdi Hansa Tongon Bisingtei Sini Joto Borono Suba Sokhaimon Bisingtei YTF Sudu Political Organization Simia YTF Kaisa Social Organization Social Bisingtei Lukono Help Kai Chubanani Sini Joto Tripura Sara Matsingia Mania Tabu Satuni Jorawa di Kiri Jagati Chubanani Bade Sini Planation. Thank you to all the media friends. Today we on behalf of YTF have come here and gathered here across from the state of the youths. Today we have come here for the discussion on the plenary session. It is today and tomorrow. In the plenary we have been discussing for the outstanding our party in the upcoming days, and in this plenary we doesn't come here as a YTF. We come here for sharing our loves, for sharing our memories of YTF, because what our Maharaj told us, we are as a family here today. We'll be sitting together, we'll be holding our night together here in Agartala itself, and we'll be here as a brotherhood organizations. And today we just came here on behalf of YTF to just spread out across the state that is love, Hansa, nothing else. And in the upcoming days we would like to say how to help our people, since now as the summer season has come out across the state, and how to give in in the places of water crisis, how to help our people, and many crises happening throughout the state. We are helping, and on that reason we came here and we organized a plenary session of 2 days today as well.
Bureau Report Khumpui.